Hey, what is up guys? This is John Browl and welcome to another episode of my quest to visit all the municipalities of Cebu. Yes, you heard that right. I was actually inspired by Sir JT of Motor Philippines, who has this very ambitious goal of visiting all the provinces of the Philippines with his two wheels. So I would also like to do that, but on a lower scale, by visiting all the 44 municipalities of Cebu. Because I believe Cebu has a lot to offer. So I've been to a couple of places already, so you may want to check on my previous videos. And I hope you can join a ride with me in exploring all the wonders of Cebu. So tara, let's go. Alright, happy weekend everyone! And as always, our weekend will never be complete without us hopping and riding our two-wheeled monsters. And for today, we'll be going to Toledo City. Yep. Now, if you have watched my last video on Montepiece Road, I was supposed to go straight to Toledo, but unfortunately, my camera died on me. Yeah. Murag iyang feelings na ako. Namatay na. Anyway, let's start our trip with a famous coffee here in Baluarte ni Alfredo. Ang buto yung sinaan ng kape nila diri nga 3-in-1 raman undan eh. Well, in all fairness though, nindot dyan ang hangin diri. Nag-serve sa kape nimo, init pa. Pero niglingkod nimo, bugnaw na. Yeah, murag ang among relasyon. Bugnaw na. Whew! Makamaoy man yung kabugnaw diri sa taas oy. Mao siguro daghan manaka diri sa pakapi-kapi ra, burger pero maoy de. Well, enough with the drama. Let's go. Alright, so if you're new to this channel and you kind of like these kinds of videos I'm putting out, you may want to hit that like button down below, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for you to get notified on my next motorcycle adventure videos. Alright, daming satsat, walang ganap. Let's go! So, if you're kind of wondering why diri ko agi sa Balamban nga mas duol man unta agion dito sa Naga or sa Talisay, well, there's a particular place I want to visit here other than this beautiful highway. You must be familiar with Balamban Liempo, right? And sa kadaghan mo balik-balik, badyas-badhas, banking-banking diri sa Red Cliff, kaon sa Baluarte o sa Felix Berto. Are you not curious about the original Balamban Liempo? Like the original? No? Well, I am. So I did a little bit of research and found out that this business was started by someone named Bebot Mapa. Yes, and the store is currently located sa public market diri sa Balamban. And by the way, please take note that they are not affiliated in any way with those Balamban Liempo stores scattered all over the city. So the name of the store is Jonas Liempo House. So hapit lang ta kadiyot dito and take out lang ta for lunch, and yeah, let's go.
ano. Dai, asa merkado dapat? Merkado.
Liko ano niya?
Ano?
Liko ano niya? Liko ano?
Ah, sir, matoyo ko dito. Sige, thank you. Okay. Boss, asa ng Jonas Liempo?
Kana A-mode boss, kana A-mode. Kana nag-aso ba?
Oh.
Kana tapad na. O nay original ka Liempo din.
Ah, sige. Thank you kayo. Okay. The original. Jonas Liempo. There, the original Liempo in Balamban. There you go.
Wow!
Sa Liempo. Alihog.
Toledo City is the only city on the west side of Cebu. Yes. And this old rustic city is more commonly known for their mining industry and their unassuming adventure-packed travel destinations. Now today we'll be visiting Capilla Santa Ana Museum. Yes, a museum. Yeah, sounds kind of boring, right? Well, apparently, the place got its popularity not for its museum, but because of their labyrinth or maze. So you must have seen these photos all over social media already. So yeah, let's go ahead and find out and see if di ba ni siya parehas sa ubang tourist destinations nga paasa kaayo og expectations versus reality. Yeah, mga paasa. Murag siya. Paasa. Sus!
Is it closed?
Oh no!
Ah, okay. Sige. Thank you. Shoot, so we have like an hour and a half. Where are we supposed to go?
So apparently they will be closing at 12 noon, so maybe they do have a lunch break. So it just so happened at 12 naabot, and they will be back at 1 or 1:15, 1:20. So tambay na sa there is 7-Eleven, chill. Yeah, we still have an hour to wait, but yeah, see you later. Finally, we're here, and this team matagak pa ta diri. Alright, so it's good that they put up some ladders so you can really get a very good view.
Wow!
So this is the maze. Bunking, bunking. Shit! Oh! Someone cheated. Oh. Cheaters. Yo. Kapoy kay paabot din. Pag-abot din nagkapoy-kapoy pa dyan, no? Yeah, we're fucking solving this puzzle, this maze. Oh, finally! Hi. We're here. So it took us like 5-10 minutes, and there's no other way around. So we'll be taking the same
route for another 10 minutes just to get out of here. Yo! Again, this is John, bro. We're not allowed to shout here, so if you're new to this channel, drop a like, comment down below, share this video, and subscribe. Peace. Alright, so we're done here finally. So yeah, after here we'll be heading to Biga Pit, or Biga Pit, however you call it, and I'll have that on my next video. So if you want to get notified from my next uploads, be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and of course, if you like the video, hit that like button, drop a comment down below, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video, and as always, drive safe and peace out, yo.